Hi darlings, so today I'm going to be showing you this new bag I got, which is the Marc Jacobs small tote bag. And I actually was really not interested in buying this bag, but the reason I ended up buying it is because I really like the color and I thought it'd be like a fun bag to have because you can fit more things in it. And I also just wanted like something different from what I actually have. So I got the bag from Neiman Marcus, and as you can see, I haven't opened it yet, so we're gonna open it together. And let me break the plastic. All right, so I took it out of the plastic, and this is what it looks like. It says the tote bag Marc Jacobs, and all of their bags say the tote bag Marc Jacobs. And then the back has the product information. So it says Marc Jacobs style, the tote bag, location New York City, year 1984. And then it comes with these straps, but inside the bag, there were these straps. The straps don't say Marc Jacobs anywhere, and there's like no design to them, they're just plain black. But the hardware does say Marc Jacobs. I do wish there was like a little bit of a design to these straps. Like I wish it had like a logo or it had like Marc Jacobs written on it. Like I just a little bit something as opposed to just like these black straps. But anyhow, that's like another way to wear this bag. So you can wear it like a tote bag or you can wear it with the straps. And then this is the inside of the bag. So this is a small size, but I still feel like it fits a decent amount of stuff. So that is the inside, and I can like lay my entire hand flat. And then I just did this temporarily, but I put my phone on the strap thingy. In real life, I would not do that because I'd worry like someone would like snatch my phone. But I just did that for now. Let's see if a water bottle fits in here. So this size water bottle does not fit in the side pouch. Even if I try to like squish it, it's just really rigid. So like you can't fit a water bottle in here. Maybe if you have like a thinner and like narrower water bottle or like a soda bottle, it might fit, but it doesn't fit in there, so it's kind of pointless. I feel like if this had more stretch to it, then you could like fit a water bottle, but for me, like that strap is kind of pointless. But anyhow, so the does come with the zipper, which I like, but I do wish the zipper was white, and I feel like this strap should have also been white. I know that white's going to be hard to maintain, but I feel like white would have gone better with this color. So now I'm gonna zip it up. So that's what the zipper is like, and you have like this extra space over here. You can tuck the zipper into that, and that's what it looks like. So now I'm gonna show you how to attach the straps, which is pretty easy. So you can take the hook and then open it, and then they have these hooks on the sides of the bag that you hook it to. Just hold it like that, and then need two hands for this. Okay, if I use two hands, that's pretty easy, but like I need the bag to be laying down. And then you can do the other side. So that is how you put on the straps. And if I put it on just like this, like it comes almost up to my hip. Okay, those are the straps, and now I'm going to take them off. And that took the straps off. Okay, so I took off the straps and now we're gonna see what we can fit in here. So I don't think there's any pockets inside. Yeah, there's no pockets inside. So you can kind of just toss everything in here. Would you want to use an organizer for this? Yes or no? I feel like if you get a bigger version of this, like if you got the medium, then you might consider getting an organizer. But since this is already small, I wouldn't get an organizer. I would just kind of throw everything in here. So the first thing I'm going to throw in is my phone. And then I don't think I can fit a water bottle, but let's see. So I can fit a water bottle, but I'd be worried that like it would spill, so I wouldn't put it horizontal. Let's see if I can put it vertical. So this is what it fits like when I put it vertical. And from my opinion, that's pretty good because I can still zip up the rest of it. So if I put the water bottle out and then I zip it, that's what it looks like, which I like because I have like other purses and only like one of them can fit my water bottle in it. And I would have to like put my water bottle horizontally for it to fit. So I like this because you can fit your water bottle on the side, even though you can't like use this, and like it'll still be like standing up so you don't have any leakages. So that's good that it can fit a water bottle. Now let's put some more stuff in here. I'm just gonna dump whatever I have from my current purse and we'll see how much space we have left and let's give it a shot. So I'm unzipping. Then the first thing I'm gonna put is a pad. And I'm not like gonna organize it or anything. I'm just gonna dump everything in. And then the next is medicines, tissues, a charger, earphones, card case, cream, coupons, face mask, Gatorade, a fidget, house keys, a lip oil, a lens wipe, and my messy bag of candy. All right, so there's still a lot of space. Like you can still layer stuff on top. I would say like I could fit like a big power bank or something because there's like that much space left. So you can fit a lot of bigger items in here, but if you're putting a bunch of smaller items in here, it will be hard to like find everything. And then if I take out the water bottle, if I take out the water bottle, there's even more space. Like there's a ton I can fit in here. So this stuff is really good on space, even though it's a small size. Overall thoughts on this is that I did like it overall because the main thing for me was that water bottle. So I feel like I have a lot of bags that are like really small and I can't fit a water bottle in. And even if I can fit a water bottle in, I'm always worried about it leaking. So what I like about this is that like it's rigid enough so that the water bottle won't move and that it'll stay in place. I feel like when I use like a regular tote bag, like my Madewell tote bag, then I find that like it tends to like move around because it's just like a big bag with a lot of space. It's pretty loose. It's not very rigid. So the water bottle feature is the best thing about this bag, and this is definitely like a bag that I would take if I'm like working out or like going to Pilates classes. Then I highly recommend this bag because then you can have your water bottle and you don't have to carry it around and worry about losing it, because that was definitely one thing I stressed out a lot about when I had to take my water bottle out. And then the other thing I like about this bag is that you can fit big things in it. Even though this is a small size, like you can still fit a lot of stuff in here. So that's the other thing I like about it. Now, about the stuff I don't like about it, we talked about this before, but I wish the straps were a little bit different. I wish they were like white and like had some sort of design on it. I think that would be really cool. And then I also wish the zipper was white. I think for this color bag, the white would have looked a lot better. And then there are no internal pockets inside the bag. Like, I do wish there was one of those like internal pockets just so that you can keep like your credit cards or like your phone. So that was one thing I didn't like about it. Overall, I really do like this color and I recommend this color. They also have other colors like black and some other colors out there too that you can check out. And then they do have like some limited edition type ones. So I've seen like a denim type of bag, and then I've also seen like cheetah print, which is super cool. But I will have links to shop this bag and the other sizes of this bag in the description. So be sure to check those out. And then if you want to see me with this bag out and about, like with a full body outfit, then be sure to follow me on social and check out my blog to see if I have any updates on that. Bye.